Greetings all from the global headquarters of the Optimism Institute. I'm breaking in today with a special message in light of the terrible tragedy in Southern California that continues to unfold. This one hit a little bit closer to home. My niece and goddaughter, along with her husband and two dogs, were able to evacuate their home, but unfortunately it was a total loss. And it's made me think that much harder about how we should think about events like this in a time where it's tough to be optimistic. Right now, these victims of this tragedy are overwhelmed by shock and concern about what's next. And I think for those of us who have been more fortunate, it's time to think about ways we could overwhelm them with empathy, compassion, and a spirit of helpfulness. So if there's anything you can think of, friends you might have out there, family that you can reach out to, causes you could write a small check to or a donation, just different ways you could help out in light of this awful tragedy in a time when it's very hard to have much hope if you're one of the victims. Let's try to give them reasons to have some hope and optimism as they try to get through the other side of this horrible event. So that's all I had for today. Hope you all are well, and we'll be back in touch with you again soon. Thanks.